Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable insights. Today, we're tackling how does Rocket Mortgage work, especially with the exciting updates rolling out in 2025. If you're thinking about buying a home or refinancing, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's Rocket Mortgage? It's an online lending platform created by Quicken Loans, designed to make getting a mortgage faster and less stressful than traditional methods. No more endless paperwork at a bank. It's all digital and user-friendly. In 2025, expect even more AI-driven features to personalize your experience, like real-time credit analysis and customized loan recommendations based on your financial profile. So, how does it actually work? It starts with a simple online application. You head to their website, enter basic info like your income, credit score, and desired loan amount. Rocket Mortgage uses smart algorithms to give you a pre-approval in minutes. Once you're pre-approved, you'll upload documents digitally. Think pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements, all securely through their app. Next up, they match you with potential loan options. You'll see personalized interest rates and terms, often with tools to simulate what-if scenarios, like how a rate change affects your monthly payments. By 2025, new features might include enhanced virtual consultations with advisors via AI chatbots or integrated affordability calculators that factor in rising home prices. One of the biggest perks is speed. Approvals can happen in days, not weeks. Plus, it's convenient. Apply from your phone anytime. But keep in mind, not everyone qualifies, and rates can vary based on market conditions. Always double-check for fees and read the fine print. In summary, Rocket Mortgage revolutionizes home financing with tech-savvy tools, making it accessible for first-time buyers and veterans alike. If you're ready to explore, head over to their site or consult a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments. Have you used Rocket Mortgage? We'll catch you in the next video.